No. Just we can just pick it down. Up, other side. Because we cannot remove the pallet. You just make it. No problem, we can move it on. Just push here.
Push?
Yeah. Sige ka lang. Just bring down. Nandun dyan sa may sa may loob ng CC sa may sa loob. So this inside.
Yeah, pull.
Move. That's heavy.
You want to turn like that?
Yes. Okay. Then we can lift up with the lifter.
The lifter, no, 4 people together.
Can be.
Abot niya ba?
Oh. To remove the pallet. So, kailangan ko ng alin? Oo, yung isa pa nga nito, kukunin pa. Dadaan pa ba natin dito?
This one, almost all parts replaced. Only body.
Boss, I will remove this one neutral, I will remove this neutral. I will not connect the neutral.
You can just connect there in the breaker and leave it because the other side there is nothing.
So I will connect here,
Yeah,
because there is.
Connect and leave it.
Because here in the.
There is a slot.
In the slot there is no connection.
Yeah, just connect and leave it.
Nahirapan ka naman, pwede mo naman hindi ipasok yun dyan.
Yung isa, yung tag nito. Lipat natin yung ground.
Do you have register monitors here, sir? Register?
Raster monitor?
Yeah, RVS 100.
No, ma'am. We don't have raster. Oh, shit. Ang hirap naman itong wiring.
Why you are just recording casting? You can remove that
I need to put this one in.
adapter, I mean. You can, then later on you can tie it to the...
I remove already the adapter.
Yeah.
Ang hirap yung spacing.
May pasirap na lang kung dyan.
Ayan. Yung spacing nung...
So, kahit nakalabas naman, mahirap na rin.
Izo mo sa loob.
Zoom yan.
Ay,
Para mahalita. Naglag pa yung school. Ilang minutes na record niya?
Mataas to?
I-post mo kaya pag naka, para hindi maubos.
Ang kuha niya?
I-post mo pagkala?
10.
sampu.
Sampo.
Ayaw mo, niulo, bahala ka.
Ano talaga yan?
Hindi, 27 ito.
Bumili si Master, bumili rin ako niyan eh.
Pag-splice niya, post mo.
Na,
Tapos pag-connect niya, ilagay mo.
Screwdriver, ulit.
si driver. Si driver dyan.
Leg.
Ubos.
Not that one.
Big one.
Yung maba, nandun sa bag niya dyan.
Screwdriver niya. Wala may screwdriver dito.
Yan. 10 na rin to. Ah,
Wala ka pang natitira.
dami.
Ubos niya.
Line 1 to ah.
Oh, line 1 yan.
Yung
Red, Regen.
magandang takbo.
सीधा सीधा अपना कम्युनिकेट कर लेते हो मदर में कोई तरफ पे वेबसाइट से नंबर निकाल के कम्युनिकेट कर लेते खत्म
Yes, yes. Hanggat hindi napapalitan yung yung malaking machine.
Alin?
Hanggat hindi pa napapalitan yan.
Yung?
Pag napapalitan na yung malaking machine, yan na siguro yung sign din sa'yo, no?
Hindi na kaya ang palitan yan. Wala na ano yung palitan yan dyan.
Hindi mapalitan niya.
Hindi pa palitan yan kasi hindi natin mailabas. Hindi natin mailabas.
Baka inaantay na lang naman, i-dispose na rin.
Inantay lang natin na wawasakin tong building na to eh. Ay, nako. Asa na? Bakit wala dito? Ay. Oh. Wisit. Then, di makulit ka pala. Paano ko siya isasama?
Okay. Alam lang.
I told you before. I told you that it can be removed. I told you.
You told me what you don't know also eh.
Sure, I don't know. I told you that I report in the other machine. I saw it hanging.
Sa kabila man sir, nakakuha no? Diyan. Sabi sa gilid mo sir.
Saan?
Doon sa gilid. Yan. Yan. Diyan. Diyan sa kamay. Yan. Yan. Paano mo lang yung wire. Ang galing.
नहीं आपका नंबर हो गया मिल गया क्या है समझा ब्रदर नो लिखा
Ay!
stop washing
Ah. Karbuta.
Ano yan?
Yung isang wire pala dapat sa labas. Ground. Kasi magsara sa sarapan na to.
Ay, oo.
Ground naman pala to.
Yes.
आने मैसेज आ देगा तो मैंने 2024 के मैसेज आए इसके सेम बोर्ड एड्रेस करा
Nakauna ba yan, Mother? Ba't isasara mo na yan?
Hindi naman to breaker eh.
Ha?
Ano naman to fuse?
Abuse na yan?
Naka-on na to siyempre.
Ayan, sige.
Sige. Ay no,
Naka-abuse na siya.
fuse naman to.
Sige.
Mga fuse to.
Naka-abuse. Ano yan?
Fuse. This one fuse sa? Not breaker, this one fuse eh.
Oh, fuse na nga lahat yan eh. Fuse lang yan.
there is no fuse there huh?
Yeah, no.
Ayan.
yeah inshallah Krishan tomorrow Roy will demonstrate
Why? I'm the one going there in the training where I will give you demonstration.
Really no training
Ah.
for anyone
You are the one going there training,
no
then
training I said no training for anyone
if you send me there in the training, okay, I will give demonstration to that.
check the rotation for the pump I cannot here down there is rotation
No,
for the
there is like this,
here like that
like this.
which pump
This one, the big one. See?
here there is a so towards down yeah
Ata yung terminal lock eh. Ano natin yung nakaipit.
Hindi nga na-provide yung isa.
Dapat nga hindi ito dito kasi ang terminal dito sa body.
Oh.
Ito nakasabit lang ito eh.
Tatanggal pala, Jer eh.
Ha?
Tatanggal pala eh.
Ay, hinaharapan pa kung pinahiga-higa pa ako. Ah,
Asal nakalagay?
Andun na.
nakasabit lang eh oh.
Part of growing.
I will return there sa this one ha. Ito der fuse box lang to eh. Fuse lang lahat ng laman nito.
Fuse lang.
Yan.
Hindi sa breaker.
Oh, parang breaker. Tapos yung pataas doon lang talaga. Hindi sila kasi may wala yung
Balik na yan. Ha?
surgeon. Mag-training din sila dyan, no? User. O parehas lang yung gusto nito.
Alin? Sa side, mag-training na sa user. Requirements yan. One's not coming good. Power is here.
Ah. Sir.
Rubber. Sweet water is greens, huh?
Sweet water is what do you mean? RO water?
No. Arrow plant.
Will go? No. Yeah, not bad. No. Where is the rubber head?
Ah, Master.
Okay.
Abot siguro yan, Master.
Hindi abot.
Hindi abot? Kailangan mo talaga ng kuhan yan.
Tender.
Ha?
Tender.
Oo.
Meron ako.
Malamig lang kasi yan, di ba?
Oh, sweet water.
Spanner.
Spanner.
Mahaba yung nabili namin.
Okay lang yan.
Arrange the board.
What rubber? We can
Yeah, connect that one here. Other side. Yeah.
sa street.
Hindi, dapat yun.
The one there straight. So connect straight.
Hindi mo naman kailangan ng kanyan mo kasi may rubber naman yun. Para kita. Yan, yan.
Dalawang street lang.
Oo.
Hindi, ganito yung pang washing machine isa din.
Oo.
Hindi na nagpakamit.
Ha?
Automatic o ano eh. Automatic o manual yung washing machine.
Bakit magkaiba ba yun?
Wala naman gumagamit ng manual na ganyan.
Toilet manual, not automatic.
Ang puta na sa salesman eh.
That's how we understand it.
Sim-sim yun lang sahit eh. Ito rin, gano'n din ito. Extender din yung maikli.
Kaya bumili lahat yan.
Oh,
Oo, maraming ano to eh.
alawas yan eh.
Oo, pandit yan, pandit lang.
Pansit yan eh. Kailangan na talaga na resibo. Ay, binisan niya ngayon, walang resibo. What he will send patura in WhatsApp.
Saan ba binili yan? Bakit walang patura?
Doon.
Lord Colin?
Hindi.
Saan?
Doon sa ano, wala kasi ano, wala. Sira yung computer nila ka.
Nakasama nga sa reimbursement na yun, to assistant. Bayad din.
Ay,
Assalamualaikum. Raju, fatura ba?
Marketing wala rin.
wala na yun.
Ano nga si Cyron sa ano eh, Biomed eh.
Cyron?
Oo, nagagawa ng ano, ng extension.
Yan na lang, tapos na no?
Dato sa tapa.
Supply. Wala ka rin, wala na rin ID mo ah.
Okay, good.
Yan.
Saan ba yung hot dyan? Hindi alam saan yung hot dyan.
Ha? Pagtanggal mo kanina, hindi. Kuhan mo?
Wala namang hot dyan eh.
Ay, lagay mo katsan dyan.
Importante, ito lang yung dimineralize. Kasi kakalawangin yung ano yan eh.
Kinabit nyo dyan, oh. Yan, oh. Yung stainless yan. Kakalawangin yan.
Here.
January 20.
Yeah.
Ah.
I'm already hungry. 3 o'clock already. I don't have
Yalla, we go. Finish.
I don't have breakfast in the morning.
Yeah.
No, you know, this morning I ate this
Only drill.
Kinakain din yung tinapay na may ano sa loob, yung parang chapati.
Yung egg?
Hindi.
Na-update ka system to, no? Yung sa CCC. Na-update na yan.
Yung PM niya.
Oh, where are you? The other one there.
Open.
Ano ba itong videographer mo?
Ang likot eh.
Ang likod. Hindi pa tumatama yung binibidyo mo.
Ano yan? Yan mo na yan. Basta nakapupur dun. Dun o. Kaya nga hindi ako professional.
Whenever I'm changing sticker now, this is your last.
Your last.
All machine, this is your last.
Ako, yari si Nora dyan, master.
After this, no one gonna do that.
Nobody know ang dula.
No problem, Nora.
No, but I will leave it clean. Pag ganito yung hugasan ng plato.
Sa Jollibee, ganyan dyan.
Ha?
Jollibee, ganyan.
Jollibee ka ba?
Oo.
Oh?
Ganyan yung Jollibee. Price station ako.
Ano mo yun sa Jollibee?
Price station.
Ha?
Price station.
Ganun.
Galuto ng manok. Yan lang. Tapos, kung wala mga estudyante sa hapon, hindi pumasok yung mga schedule na 4 oras. Akong papalit kasi full time ako eh.
Naka-full time ka.
Naka 1 year ako dun. Dapat 6 months lang nga lang. Eh.
Full time ka.
Ano? This one, wala.
Pero walang regular. Walang regular.
Meron regular mga kuwan lang.
Manager lang.
Mark,
Manager oh.
bring that red seal. Why you didn't purchase that?
I have that in my...
Di ba binigyan kita ng red seal, master? Meron dyan yata sa bag dyan. Red seal dyan. Malitan daw, master. Hindi na daw yan. Wala expire yan.
So, dapat magpabili ka para may...
Meron si master?
Meron na pa siya. Sinabi ako sa kanina eh.
Sino?
Cutter na.
Ano cutter?
Yung yellow.
Yellow?
Bagay na sister.
Wala eh.
Hindi ba ito yung lift po? Nabigyan pa kayo ng uniform? Hindi na din. Ilang taon na to?
Ano na ko?
Matagal na din.
2 taon na to? Walang binigay na bago?
Taon mo wala din. Grabe.
Wala na nga.
Ito pa tayong pinakamagandang uniform na binigay sa amin.
Oo. Oh. Kasi...
Malalaking sildo na taga-hugas.
Oo, yun yan. Kasi hindi na pwede maghugas yung mga teknisan eh.
Oo?
Ha?
Kuha mo ako ano there, pakipuha na ano, yung gloves.
Gloves yan.
Iba yung silyado niya ngayon, no?
Natural short.
Hey,
That's it.
nursing top Mavi time back. Lazim finish hurry, but then finish good. Assalamu alaikum. No need time back, your brother. I have time back, but Mavi giving time back. Yeah, like that. Me, I have 3 days time back. No need. Better go. Finish your duty, go.
You, mapipinish duty, go already.
Who?
Yesterday, we are still until 11 o'clock here, nobody there anymore.
Brother, our duty finish in 9.
No, he was there.
Oh.
He was there, yeah, baby.
You was there?
He was there.
I will make it dry this one, huh?
I saw him at 10 o'clock outside in parking.
Last time there is company came, my brother bring box too.
Hmm?
I will show you a picture.
Yeah.
When I am sending in our group.
Yan, takpan mo muna yan. Yan. Para makagamit siya.
Kala kuya, start.
Kalas?
Salt.
Ready, finish. Connect the router. This one.
Hmm?
Oh, finish already. Kalas. This one.
Check the rotation.
You will make a duplicate. You duplicate that key. Shada only fell down but then broken. It's good. Now it's running. Okay na guys. Solved na. Automatic print out this one, sir? Did you configure the printer?
Printer?
Yeah. Printer is already automatic print, huh? Once you start, it will automatic print. Only the graph or the data.
Good.
Up, I see.
What?
You more go down. Adjust that one.
No, it will go up.
No, we need down.
We need down. Ito yung maximum down eh. Yeah, maximum down already.
Lose it.
Huh?
Lose.
It's already maximum down, boss.
Go up.
No. Maximum down. You want to make down this one?
Yeah.
No, it is maximum down already. See? You see here? Already.
You have to lift the machine.
We will make it up the machine.
Water is on.
Hot water is coming? Hot water is from up. There is program for deliming, this one, cleaning. There's a program for cleaning.
What do you mean by cleaning?
There's a program, you run the program, for example, P3, then it will automatic clean the machine, run the We just only put this enzyme for the rust, put there inside, it will wash and it will remove all rust in the basin. It's our old one, there is the naming program 11. That's why I say, if you see our machine here, very clean. There is no rust for the stainless. Because our water here is not good, you know. Did you see your machine there? Too much rust.
What solution they keep there?
This one.
Sabun?
No. This one are pre-wash. With sabon already this one. Washed already this one. So dosing pump is running, it's okay. No leaking. Everything okay? Alhamdulillah. There is no leaking about the water. Pump. Dosing pump. The replenishing pump motor.